What's up, everyone? We are in Tacoma, Washington. We got in a handful of days ago. We had a house sit. We had driven all the way across Oregon in about 2 days. This morning, we spent the night in a neighborhood. We like to find a tall fence or a tall wall of bushes and park behind that. We don't want to upset people by parking in front of their houses. We're just getting done with our workout at a Planet Fitness. So we're gonna see what else we can show you guys about Tacoma.
We've heard the cool thing here is a glass museum. So we're gonna go check it out. And I also got some insider information, we'll see if it ends up being true, that on the third Thursday from 5 to 8, it's free. I was right, it is free.
Oh. Comment if I have better drone footage. Isn't it great? Okay, moving on.
The destination is on your left, Stadium High School.
We're at the school where 10 Things I Hate About You was filmed. Because it's in the area.
We wanted to do a bleacher workout, but it doesn't look like we can get in.
No, they've got it locked up.
Couldn't get a workout in at the high school, so we got the bikes out and we're at Point Defiance, and apparently there's miles and miles of trails, so we're just gonna ride this afternoon, get some footage, have some fun.
Kevin just got catcalled. I have to really like watch out for that stuff with you.
Can't say it's the first time.
Hey.
Finally got it figured out. All right, I'll see you later, lady.
Bye.
Oh, my Atlanta. Oh yeah. You are here. Where do I want to go? That way maybe? Yellow trail if it's marked. 5-mile drive, that's a road. The Mountaineer Tree. If I can follow yellow, I'll try to get to that inside loop trail. Distance 3.5 miles. Okay, either way, I feel like I can go this way.
Do you realize that bikes are not allowed on trails?
Are they not?
Yeah. A lot of people don't know that. So.
I didn't see a sign, but...
I don't know. I think there's like one sign.
Have a good one, guys. Yeah. Oh, bingo. Okay. Just getting back to the van now. Oh. Okay. No. Where in the world? Gotta get up to there. It's not as close as it may appear. Oh man, what? Well, that's not a trail. I hope that's a trail. Using the front brake as a little bit of grip. Well, it's a hike. I think if I get up there, maybe there's a road or an actual trail. So I find a path up, but it's real steep, and I'm like, oh, it looks like there's a path right above me. I'm climbing these roots with my bike in tow, and I keep climbing and I think, oh, that's the path right above me, and I did that like 4 times. I'm climbing this hill root by root with my bike on my back like an idiot. Wow, I gotta sit down. I may puke. But I finally got to the road. People are looking at me. I just crawled out of the bushes, all dirty and sweaty. But I'm like, oh, thank goodness, a road. It was a time though, it was an adventure. I hope people enjoy it. But.
I looked up online just things to do in the area, and there's a thing called the Haunted Farmers Market, and we're into haunted stuff now apparently. So we're gonna check it out. They just sell like spooky things,
Trinkets and such.
trinkets and stuff. Should be fun. Do we need a rock for the van?
I don't think so.
So we are a paranormal podcast. So we do a wild, weird, and unknown. So we're anything from like ghosts to cryptids, alien. We do lots of stories. Yeah. And yeah, all the fun things.
We'll check you guys out.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Heading to the falls. Looks like they're just down there. If you were driving by, you would never know that that's down there.
But if you're walking on the edge of a sketchy road, you see it.
You hear it. Should we bring the duck in the van?
Are we adopting a duck? So he's big enough to set free?
Yeah, let's put him in the sink.
I hope he's good and safe out here.